Yeah, so I made a post on Facebook about my Indian pudding today, and got me thinking about Grandma, and I was getting all misty and everything. It smells really good. It looks horrible. You know, I'm not really sure if the rest of the video is going to convince you guys to eat this mess. it's it is a mess. It's a delicious mess, I hope. We'll see. We'll do the tasting outside where I have some natural light. At any rate, this is Indian pudding, and I can add the recipe that I use to the description if you want to give it a shot. Hopefully it tastes good. We'll see. Okay, peoples, I got my Indian pudding here, and I got the whipped cream. I'm a single guy, so making whipped cream from scratch is kind of stupid, because you make it, you use 2 spoonfuls, and then the rest goes flat and sour in the fridge. So I posted on Facebook earlier today, and I'm going to add this to my Smokers Chugging page. This recipe is not a recipe I'm familiar with. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm going to eat it before it gets too cold. It's a little chilly out here. I cooked it at 250 for about 2.5 hours. The recipe said 2 hours. And this, it just seemed like it needed a little more time, so I let it go about 2.5 hours. Said to rest it for an hour, and it went from about 196 degrees to about 99 degrees in that time. So it should be cool enough to eat. There's some interesting stuff here. I'm going to try to bring the bowl up to you guys. And if this doesn't work, I don't know if this is going to work. So anyway, this here, that's like a crust. So that's like the cornmeal that settles on the bottom. And then right here, if you look in this section right here, hopefully that'll focus, you'll see small dots. So it looks a little bit like, tapioca, but tiny. And that's the individual cornmeal grains. This recipe has the golden raisins in it, and cinnamon and nutmeg. The Durgin Park recipe has none of those things. So let's give it a shot. Gotta have the whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. I'm more of a whipped cream guy. So I'm gonna take a bite of the custardy part. Good. Now I'm gonna try that crust part. It's a little chewy. It's not crispy like a cobbler crust. But it's kind of interesting. It adds a little texture. Definitely thumbs up. All right, folks. Getting cold. I'm going back inside. You guys be good to each other. Be safe. Be well. God bless you. And I love you guys. Smokers Chugging.